In this video, I'm going to talk about data manipulation language, specifically order by clause. Order by clause is used to sort the tuples in a query result based on the values of some attributes. We can say, in this example, select column 1, column 2, etc. from table name, order by column 1, column 2, ascending or descending sorting. Order by example, bank database. Below the selection from customers table in the bank sample database. These samples of a bank database is in column, name, column, address, and phone. The following SQL statement: select all customers from customer table sorted by name. In this example, we can say your statement: select asterisk from customer order by name. Another example, order by descending example. The following SQL statement: select all customers from customer table sorted descending by customer name. We can type your statement: select asterisk from customer order by name disk. This is mean your results show that your customer data and sorted by name descending. The default order is in ascending order of values. We can specify the keyword disk if we want a descending order. The keyword ask can be used to explicitly specify ascending order, even though it's the default. You can see that ascending is a default for order by. Another example, order by several columns examples. The following SQL statement: select all customers from customers table sorted by name and address column. This means that it orders by name. But if some rows or tables have the same name, it orders them by address. You can see in this example we have name and address. You can see name, tuple number 4 and tuple number 5. You can see name is identical. We can see sorting by address, Alex, then Giza. You can type your statement: select asterisk from customer order by name and address. That's all. This is your tutorial about order by clause. Thank you and goodbye.